Today I'm going to be making a mixed berry pie, and I'm going to be using frozen berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. But first I'm going to start with my bowl, and I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar, 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and what I'm going to do is just mix these together to blend them. So what I have here in my strainer is 3 pounds of mixed berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. These were frozen and I thawed them out, and then what I did is I just sliced up the strawberries in half so that they weren't so big compared to the rest of the fruit. Now I'm going to add this to my bowl of sugar, cornstarch, and cinnamon. So now I'm going to add in my fruit. I've squeezed a lemon, the juice, into a bowl so that I could make sure that I didn't get any seeds from the lemon juice. And I'm going to add that into the berries. And now what I want to do is mix everything together to coat the berries. So I prepared my pie pan with a refrigerated pie dough. I just pressed it into the pan, and now I'm going to add the berries to the pie. Now you just want to smooth out your berries. So in my second pie dough, We want to lay that out on top. Before I cover it, I almost forgot. I just want to do a couple of dabs of butter on top. Now what you want to do is pinch the pie crust, the top to the bottom. I'm not the best at pinching the corners together, but do the best you can and get both sides to connect. Okay, so now what you want to do is, after you have the sides pinched together, you want to make a X or a star in the middle, or poke some holes just to help the pie vent. Now the next step is covering the edges with aluminum foil. And place this in a preheated 400-degree oven for an hour, and then remove the aluminum foil and bake it for another 20 minutes after that. The berry pie is finished. It took an hour and a half to bake. As you can see, I have a little spillover, so just let it cool down before you cut into it, and serve it with a little whipped cream and even ice cream if you want it. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.